Welcome to the Connect HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on that device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. To activate Wi-Fi, we should click here once on the switcher, and now for example we can see here all the available networks. We can use one from this network. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see the password, click once on the checkbox to see it, and after that I'll just do it out of screen. You should click here to connect. Then just wait a second and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can just use more networks here, 2, 3, 4 more, just to connect, enter the password, and after that you'll see them here in saved networks, so you can just switch between them. For example, if you have slow internet connection, if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you just should click here on the switcher once again. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and to activate Wi-Fi we should click here once on this icon. If you want to launch the settings, hold it for a while, and by the same way select the network, enter password, tap to connect, and that's it. And to turn it off, click on the icon once again. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.